Verifying your bank account on Titan Invest is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to your investment funds. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Titan account. Access your Titan Invest account by entering your credentials on the Titan website or app. Ensure you have your login information ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In the account settings, find the option for bank account verification. Click on this option to begin the verification process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check the details for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank details, review the information one last time. Once confirmed, submit the information to complete the verification process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account is being verified. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified within a few business days. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Titan's customer support for assistance.